The Talyllyn Railway is a narrow gauge railway opened for goods traffic in 1865 and shortly after for passenger services, which had operated every year since between Tywyn on the west coast of Wales and Nant Gwernol just over 7 miles inland. In 1951, operation of the line was taken over by the Talyllyn Railway Preservation Society and became the world's first preserved railway. Operation of the line is primarily by volunteers from all walks of life, with a small paid staff. It is now a major tourist attraction in the Mid Wales area, contributing significantly to the area's economy.
It's a working man I am, and I've been down underground, and I swear